Going back to our last conversation, I asked you the question about, are you confident that Romania will have the vaccines? And you said, yeah, it's working through Brussels and everybody had an allocation. But it seems like it's moving more slowly in the western part of Europe than here. And it's certainly moving better in England, in the United States, and in Israel. What's going on in Europe? Why isn't it getting it out faster?
I really don't know. I think it depends on how every country is organizing it. In Romania, we divided the coordination between two major entities. Yeah. The Ministry of Interior, the Department for Emergency Situations, is dealing with the issue of the disease itself, together with the Ministry of Health, of course. Yeah. And the Ministry of Defense is dealing with the issue of the vaccination. In cooperation with our department, we have personnel working with them, and in cooperation with the Ministry of Health. So it was a national coordination. And the whole thing went on as a national approach, not sending the vaccines to local places and telling them, okay, you deal with it, you plan your vaccinations and so on. So there is a national platform to subscribe on it. There is a national monitoring. There is a national monitoring of the vaccines. There is a national distribution plan of the vaccines. So this, I think, helped a lot in Romania to make the things work better than giving the vaccines to regions or to small areas and telling them, okay, manage it yourself.
And is the vaccine getting out evenly around the country, or the cities have the advantage, or how's that working? Into the
No, it is, the vaccine is being sent in an equal way. The areas which are more affected, we are trying to vaccinate more people faster there.
Right. Right.
So the areas which have more cases, we try to vaccinate more people in this period. But that doesn't mean that the other areas are neglected. We had some problems, of course, with the delays that we had from the Pfizer, but now these problems are sorted out. Romania even donated some doses of vaccines to Moldova in the last 3 weeks. Like the president said that we will donate 200,000 doses to Moldova. The first 20 doses already went there.
Yeah,
so from this point of view, I would say that the approach is national. It is not biased for one city or the other or so on.